So you recently got a massage gun and you want to know the most effective way to use it to relieve pain and to decrease muscle soreness. Well, today I'm going to give you my thoughts as a physical therapist on the best way to use a massage gun and the absolute worst thing you can do, but I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's start with a real quick overview of what this massage gun does, why it's so therapeutic, and what you can do to get the most out of your massage gun. Massage guns come in various shapes and sizes, but at its core, it's really just a handheld device that percusses back and forth at variable speeds and depths. And as this massage gun pulsates, you can glide it along a muscle, you can move it across muscle fibers, you can move it in circles over a wide area, or simply just target one spot for a deep tissue massage. Now, all massage guns generally work the same way, but there are a few details to know about and even features to look for when you're shopping for the best massage gun, or even just understanding what those terms mean on the massage gun that you have. First off, the amplitude, it refers to the depth at which the massage gun head pulses back and forth, meaning if you hold this gun steady to your thigh, how deep will it push into your leg? Now, to emulate a deep tissue massage, pick up a massage gun with a greater amplitude, which will also help you to treat bigger, bulkier muscle groups that tend to get sore after exercise. This massage gun right here that I like using is the X6 Pro by Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet, in their opinion, of course. And it's an example of a massage gun with a very powerful amplitude of 10 millimeters, so it gives you that deep tissue massage. And it has this really nice long handle that I like using because you can easily reach the middle of your back. You may also see the term PPM, or pulses per minute. Some manufacturers refer to as RPM, or rotations, or even revolutions per minute. And it's basically how many times your massage gun head is punching you per minute. 2,000 to 3,000 is the typical RPM for most units, with higher speeds generally delivering a more intense massage. On the back of most units, you'll find the lights indicating which level of intensity you're at, whether it's level 1 all the way up to level 5. I recommend starting with level 1, getting used to that, and varying that based on the muscle group, because some muscle groups may be able to tolerate a higher intensity, while less bulky muscles, you may want to stick with the level 1 or level 2 intensity. Okay, on to the attachments, or the heads, which are interchangeable accessories that come with your massage gun. Now, a great massage gun is going to give you a good massage no matter the attachment, but by changing the attachment heads, you can really change or fine-tune that massage very quickly, very easily. So be sure to watch that next video that will play after this, because I go into even more detail on which massage gun head to use. It's a really helpful video that you don't want to miss as well. Also, the battery life is worth mentioning as well. The battery is generally here in the handle, and most massage guns will have a rechargeable battery. This is recharged with a USB-C. This one is charged with an adapter, an AC adapter that plugs into the wall. But oftentimes you're going to find that using your massage gun, you can get about 2 continuous hours on a single charge. Many manufacturers will say that their battery life is up to 30 days with 10 minutes of use per day. And I've seen this to be true for many massage guns that I've owned. But the one tip that I have is to charge the massage gun fully as soon as you get it, and then to use up that battery completely so it's dead before recharging it. I just think that it allows the battery to go through a full cycle and hopefully prolongs the life of your battery. All right, now you're ready to use the massage gun, but you'll need to figure out what exactly it is that you're gunning for. Is it knee pain, or a sore back, maybe even tight quads, or a knot up in your shoulders? That objective of your massage treatment will determine what type of muscles you massage and what techniques you want to use, as well as what head to attach onto the massage gun. Most massage guns will turn on by pressing and holding that large button on the back of the unit. This is also the button that can be pressed again to cycle through the different intensity levels, increasing that pulse per minute cycle to increase the intensity of the massage. Now, generally you want to massage an area for at least 30 seconds per muscle group, though 2 to 3 minutes is ideal. You may want to work up to that over time based on your tolerance, because this may take time for you to get used to that force and the speed of the massage gun. So break it up by hitting other muscle areas that you need to relax, because then you can go back to that muscle group and increase your tolerance and provide even more of a massage. Another key point about using any massage gun is to remember to stay hydrated. Muscles are 80% water, and a well-hydrated muscle is a happy muscle. So you need water to flush out lactic acid, repair tissue, and just to promote general recovery for your muscles. So be sure to drink water before and after you use your massage gun. Most massage guns come with at least a couple of different heads and shapes and sizes that will alter the feel of the massage completely. Now, a public service announcement here for massage guns is to use it for muscles, not bones. Regardless of what the shape is on the massage gun head, it's not meant for bony parts of your body like your spine or the skull or the clavicle or your elbow. It's not going to feel good. It could even bruise that area. So focus on soft tissue areas like your muscles, because that is the best way to use a massage gun, not against any bony prominences. The Bob and Brad massage guns that I have at home came with the following 5 popular attachments in descending order of intensity: the fork, the bullet, the ball, the flat round, and the air cushion. Here's a look at the different attachments and what I like using them for. The fork attachment is best for large, tight muscles, deep tissue, and general recovery. It's a very popular attachment that comes with nearly every massage gun. And while it looks like it's very useful around the spine, I just recommend that you don't use it there, because it's very likely that you'll hit against a spinous process, which is not comfortable at all. The bullet attachment is best for large, tight muscles, deep tissue, and even targeting trigger points. It's a single point head, and it's very useful for that trigger point massage and loosening those tough muscle knots. It's a great attachment, and it's one of my go-to attachments for sure with any massage gun. The flat round attachment is best for medium to large muscle groups, and it's excellent for reducing muscle soreness. I like this attachment because it's great for gliding across smooth surfaces, especially if you're using this massage gun over clothing. The ball attachment is great as a general use attachment, but also really helpful for sensitive muscle groups because it allows you to scale that intensity of your massage with a simple tilting motion. This attachment is really useful for providing cross-friction massage at the elbow or even at the knee, where soft tissue is limited. My favorite attachment is the air cushion, or the padded round attachment, because it's best for sensitive areas with bony prominences like the shoulder or the elbow or the knee. And this thing uses a small air cushion to modify your gun's percussive power, which is great because you can still get a very powerful and effective massage, but it's going to feel a lot more comfortable, especially if you're working in an area like the knee or the wrist or even the elbow or upper shoulders. It's a great, comfortable massage, and the padding has a little give to it. You know, most people don't realize this with physical therapy and even treatment with a massage gun, but those treatments should not increase your pain, especially after you're done using it. It's normal to feel a little soreness or discomfort while you're using a massage gun at first, especially if it's the first time you've used it, but don't go full force with it right away, because you could end up causing an injury or just bruising that area, making for an even longer recovery. And that's especially true around areas where there's less soft tissue, so you want to avoid placing the massage gun directly on bone or areas that are uncomfortable like that, because it's not going to help it to heal, and it could lead to bruising or other injury. And this may sound really simple as well, but you don't want to use a massage gun directly over an open wound or a surgical spot, because you could damage the tissue, and you don't want to do that either. Hey, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Enjoy your new massage gun, and be sure to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.